Hello and welcome my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are fit and fine and you are very happy to see me on your screens. My dear little champs, I have made this lecture specially for my dearest students, those who are missing me a lot, those who are missing their classrooms a lot. Anyways, henceforth we will have this kind of live class. I hope you will enjoy it a lot. My dear students, now you know that your exams are approaching, right? Exams are very near. And what do during the exams are there? You do revision, yes? So today we are going to start the revision, the theory, the written part. I hope students you are sitting with your rough notebook. So if you are not sitting with your rough notebook, quickly take out your rough notebooks. As you know, in every lecture I give you a little bit of work for writing part. So please make sure you always be ready with your rough notebook in English lecture especially. So let's get started. You have to just write whatever I am writing here, and whenever I ask you to repeat, you have to repeat after me. It's as simple as that. Let's get started. So students, we are going to start with the revision of lesson number 3 English. So as you can see, I have already given the heading subject English. You also have to give the heading English in your rough notebook. And then please give another heading, lesson number 3. Lesson number 3. So we are going to start the revision of lesson number 3. I hope you are excited and I hope you are sitting with your rough notebook now. So please give the heading lesson number 3 and then in the bracket write revision, as we are going to do the revision. So please give the heading, I will wait for you. I hope my little champs, you all are giving the heading properly. So you must be thinking, sir, how we are going to start the revision? What we are going to do? Nothing to worry. I will instruct you each and every step, each and every single step what you have to do. The thing is, in this lecture you have to write the questions as well. Till now what were we doing? We were just writing the answer. I was explaining you the question. But this time you have to write question and answer both the things, because since many months school due to lockdown has closed. So I thought that you must not keep your practice of writing away. That is the reason I have brought this live lecture for you all, for you to enhance your writing skills. I hope you will cooperate me and I hope you will enjoy too. Let's get started. Now, I hope that you have given the heading lesson 3 revision. So, first of all, we are going to start the revision of meanings. Meanings. Now, give the heading, please give the heading meanings. I hope you are writing whatever I am asking you to write. Please give the heading meanings, because we are going to start with the revision of meanings. So, let me explain you the format. Now, I am going to start writing the questions first. I will not write the answer. Questions I will write first. You also have to write the questions with me, because I will not give you extra time to write. I will give you few seconds extra after I complete writing the question, but I will not give you much of the extra time. Please make sure while I am writing the question, you are also writing the question with me. Parents who are sitting with you, I request parents also to just cooperate with student and help them. So I hope you have given the heading, meanings. I am going to start writing the question here. Please have a look on the heading and give the heading properly. Okay, let's get started. I'll write the question. You also have to write the question with me. Now, number 1, overnight. Number 1, overnight. I hope students, you all are writing with me. Number 2, beanstalk. Number 2, beanstalk. Please write the questions. Number 1, overnight. Number 2, beanstalk. We have well revised the hard words. So I hope that now you remember each and every spelling of lesson number 3 and 4 for which you are going to appear the exam for FA2. Okay, now number 3 question is doorstep. D-O-O-R-S-T-E-P, doorstep. Please write the question, doorstep. You have the habit of writing the O like this. So, okay, now I hope you understand doorstep. Number 4, insisted. I-N-S-I-S-T-E-D, insisted. Are you writing or not? Please write the questions with me. Doorstep, insisted. Number 5, tremble. T-R-E-M-B-L-E, tremble. Please write down, students, tremble. I hope my little champs are cooperating with me. Okay, tremble. Number 6, harp. H-A-R-P, harp. And number 7, delighted. D-E-L-I-G-H-T-E-D, delighted. Have a look on the questions. Students, you can also leave one line. You can also leave one line if you want, so that your work should look neat and tidy. Number 1, overnight. Number 2, beanstalk. Number 3, doorstep. Number 4, insisted. Number 5, tremble. Number 6, harp. And number 7, delighted. Now I am going to come and read the spelling for you all. O-V-E-R-N-I-G-H-T, overnight. B-E-A-N-S-T-A-L-K, beanstalk. D-O-O-R-S-T-E-P, doorstep. I-N-S-I-S-T-E-D, insisted. T-R-E-M-B-L-E, tremble. H-A-R-P, harp. And number 7, D-E-L-I-G-H-T-E-D, delighted. I hope you have also written the questions with me. See, I have given you sufficient time to write the questions. I hope, students, you are writing the questions. See, first what was happening? Your sir was not writing anything. I was just asking you to write. Now I thought, if my students are writing, why I should not write. So that is why I am writing with you. Okay, now we are going to write the answers for this. You also have to write the answers with me, and then we will repeat this. I hope this is very much fun for you. So please be ready. Now let us write the answers. So number 1, overnight. Answer is for one night. Overnight. Answer is for one night. Number 2, beanstalk. Answer is the stem of a bean plant. The stem of a bean plant. Number 3, doorstep. Answer is a step outside of house. A step outside of house, it is called doorstep. Are you writing or not, my dear students? Please write with good handwriting. Like I said, you can even leave one line after each meaning if you want to make your work look tidy. Number 4 is insisted. So answer is kept saying the same thing. Insisted, answer is kept saying the same thing. Please write the answers also. Make sure that while you write the answer, your spellings should be correct. So please make sure also, don't just write in a haste. You have to check your spelling once you finish writing one answer. Number 5 is tremble. Answer is shake. S-H-A-K-E, shake. Number 6 is harp. What it is? Nothing but a musical instrument. So a musical instrument. A musical instrument. I-N-S-T-R-U-M-E-N-T, instrument. And number 7 is delighted. Answer is very happy. Please have a look on the answers. Students, please make sure your handwriting should be legible. And if you want, like I said, you can leave one line so that your work looks neat and tidy. I hope students you are writing the answers. Don't worry, I'll give you few more seconds. What I will do, I will read question and answer, and then you have to repeat both question and answer after me. Are you all ready? Yes. Now please finish writing. I will read once for you. Number 1, overnight. Answer is for one night. Number 2, beanstalk. Answer is the stem of a bean plant. Number 3, doorstep. Answer is a step outside of house. Number 4, insisted. Answer is kept saying the same thing. Number 5, tremble. Answer is shake. Number 6, harp. Answer is a musical instrument. And number 7, delighted. Answer is very happy. Please have a look on the answer and write down the answer. I hope, my dear students, when you are writing the answer, like I said, you are even checking your spellings, and if it is incorrect, you are correcting it, because the spelling plays important role in writing the answers. Especially in English subject, I can deduct your marks if you have written incorrect spelling. So please make sure you are writing the correct answer and correct spelling as well. Okay, my dear little gems, now it's time for you and me to repeat the meanings. So are you all ready? Okay, so let us repeat the meaning. I hope you will repeat after me loudly and clearly like your sir is speaking. Let's get started. Number 1, please repeat after me. Overnight, for one night. Number 2, beanstalk, the stem of a bean plant. Are you repeating or not? Number 3, doorstep, a step outside of house. Number 4, insisted, kept saying the same thing. Please make sure you are repeating after me, my dear students. Number 5, tremble, shake. Number 6, harp, a musical instrument. Number 7, delighted, very happy. So I hope, students, you have written question and answer, both the things for the meanings. I'll keep 2 more seconds this contain, and then I will clear the board and write another content for today's last revision part. Have a look. Okay, my dear students, now it's time to write another content for today's revision. So I am going to clear the board. You also change the page and please give the heading true or false. Please give the heading true or false, because we are going to revise true or false now. So please give the heading true or false. Please give the heading true or false, and students, on the new page only, because now you are also writing the questions, and I could suppose that you have written meanings leaving one line for the question before. Now same way we will write the question and then the answer. Now when I am writing the question, you also have to write the questions. So I hope you will write the questions with me. Okay, let's get started with true or false questions. I will also try to read it while I am writing it. Number 1, Jack sold his cow to an old man. Now you can see students, after writing the question, I have left the space for the answer. Have a look on one question. Jack sold his cow to an old man, and then the space for answer. I hope you are writing the questions. Then number 2, the giant loved to eat big balls. The giant loved to eat big balls. Please write the questions with me, students. Number 3, the old man gave Jack 2 bean seeds, 2 bean seeds. So I will write the answer here for that. And number 4, which is last true or false. One day, Milky White gave no milk. Please write the questions, my dear students. I will wait for you. Please write the questions as fast as possible. Like I said, the more you will practice to write fast, more the skills will get enhanced. It will get better. So try to write all the questions. If you are not able to write, don't worry. You can watch the lecture again and again. Have a look on the questions. I hope, my dear students, you will write the question leaving one line. Then you have to write the answer with me. There are only 4 questions, so please try to write it as fast as possible. Okay, now I will read the questions one more time, and then we are going to write the answers after I complete reading the question. Till then, what you have to do? Keep writing the questions till you finish it. And I will read the question one more time, all the questions once. Number 1. Jack sold his cow to an old man. Number 2. The giant loved to eat big balls. Number 3. The old man gave Jack 2 bean seeds. And number 4. One day Milky White gave no milk. Now we shall write the answers, my dear students. Like I said, those who have not completed writing the answers, it's okay. You can watch this lecture again and again. So let's get started. Let's solve this. These are very easy, and I know that as soon as I ask you to speak the answers, though I am not there in front of you, you will start giving me the answers. Let's solve this. Jack sold his cow to an old man. He sold his cow to an old man. Do you remember the story? When Jack was going to market to sell the cow, who met the Jack? An old man, right? And then to whom did he sell his cow? Obviously to an old man. So this statement is true. Please write the answers. True, true. Obviously, Jack sold his cow to an old man. Then, my dear children, number 2. The giant loved to eat big boys. Giant loved to eat big boys? No. Giant loved to eat tiny and small boys. So this statement is false. So F-A-L-S-E. I hope students you are writing the question. Okay, I'll wait for 2 more seconds and then we will write remaining 2. Please have a look. Please make sure you are writing the answers properly. Okay, now number 3. The old man gave Jack 2 bean seeds. Now students, now you know that Jack sold his cow to an old man. But then, you know, whenever you sell something, you get money for it. Now, when Jack sold his cow to an old man, what did he get in exchange? Bean seeds. That we all know that Jack did not get money, he got the bean seeds. But how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many bean seeds? Did he get 2 bean seeds only? No. Jack got 5 bean seeds, right? So this statement is false. So let us get the answer. False. I hope you are also writing the answers, my dear students. Okay, the last one, let us solve it. One day, Milky White gave no milk. Is this statement true? One day, cow Milky White gave no milk. Yes, this statement is true. Why? That is the reason why Jack went to sell his cow, because his cow gave no milk. So Jack's mother was very much sad. That is the reason why they went to sell the cow. So this statement is true. Have a look on the answers. Please make sure that when you write the answer, you should understand the question first. Okay, students, so that is the end of our today's class. I hope you really enjoyed it because this was very much new and refreshing for you all. I hope you all got rejuvenated looking at this kind of class lecture. So I'll make sure that we will have fun with revision. Study is must. Fun is also must. So we will do both simultaneously. I hope you have written everything. If not, please watch the video lecture again and again. The more you will watch, the more revision you will get. So for today, I will end my class here. Thank you for cooperating me. I hope you will watch each and every lecture. Goodbye. Take care.